In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make scan edits prior to sending to automate. As you can see here, I have a single unit number 18 selected, and I have my object set to digital impression. Once that's been created, I'm going to go ahead and import my scans and go through the workflow. From this point, I'm simply going to go into design and make those edits to the scan. Once I have opened my design, I'm going to click on this icon here to make the edits. This then gives me the ability to sculpt my lower jaw. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to sculpt a few different areas. I'm going to start off with this area on here on the prep. I'm going to make some minor edits here by cutting away some of this prep material. As you can see, that will be maintained through the process. And then I can come through and also make some edits to the tissue itself. So if there's a problem with blood, saliva, or tissue that's overlapping the margin, those edits will be maintained as well. I'll come in here and cut this area away. Once that's been done, I can move forward and it's going to auto-populate my margin. You also have the ability to remark the margin as well. So I'm going to come through and make some minor edits to the margin. Once you're satisfied with the margin marking in the areas of sculpting, as you can see right here on the tissue and here on the prep, I'm going to go ahead and hit this icon here for Save Modeling. This way the modeling will be saved and travel with the case into Automate. After the saving has been done, I can simply close out. At this point, I simply highlight the case and send to Automate through the integration. I have my turnaround times, my contacts and occlusions set to what I want, so I'm going to go ahead and upload. Once that's uploaded, I can click on the case and open Automate. You can see now that my order is in designing status. Once that's ready to review, I can review the screenshot images. My case is now ready for review. I'll simply click on this icon here. And as you can see, I've maintained that edit sculpts here and along the margin. So again, this is a very nice tool to be able to come in and make those edits to the scan along the tissue or anywhere on the prep. I can scroll through and see my various screenshots. Then I also have the option to go into this edit and view the changes as well. You'll notice here when I turn off my sliders and look on the internal aspect of the crown, you can see where those edits have been made. I also have the ability to turn off my crown itself and open the scan to see the areas in which I made those edits along the prep here and also around the tissue. So again, this is a very nice tool to be able to utilize to make scan edits and have that maintained through the process.